How's it going, everybody? Alex here with Patrick Volvo Cars, back again with another Volvo quick tip. Today we're going to be showing you a quick tutorial video on how to connect your phone to Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto in your 2026 Volvo XC60. Let's get into it. First things first, we're going to click the little icon down here on the bottom left corner. This is your application screen. We're going to go to settings. We're going to go down here where it says connectivity, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. We go to Bluetooth up there. Bluetooth is turned off. So if we turn it on, we're going to go to Bluetooth on our phone here. We'll look for the Volvo XC60 as you can see on the screen there. Click that. It will pop up there. Confirm that that's what we want to connect to. Confirm. And then you can edit your phone's Bluetooth settings. It'll ask if you want to allow contacts or favorites to sync. Right now we're going to click Don't Allow. If we go back to this home screen here with the applications, we'll go to Bluetooth Media Player, and then you can connect to Bluetooth with that phone. This is if we just want the phone or just the music to start playing. Here we're going to go back to Apple CarPlay. Click there. It says connect your phone to Bluetooth. And luckily we have a USB-C to USB-C cable right here, and this is actually going to be connected. So if we just plug that in right there, then that pops up for your terms of use. Click accept, and we can allow the XC60 to play while the phone is locked. You can click allow, and then that'll set up CarPlay for you. So we have all your apps and things like that on CarPlay. Go back to applications. It'll be the same for Android Auto. I don't have an Android phone to show you at the moment, but that's pretty much the same setup. If you see in the glove compartment here, there is a little location here for your USB-Cs to plug directly in there. And then that'll charge your phone to connect to Apple CarPlay. Thank you guys so much for watching this Volvo quick tip. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content just like this, and we will catch you guys next time.